It's not too bad. Got some airsoft hickeys. Right on the other side. It gets a lot of them in my knuckles too. That's some shit. No, it's not just decorative.